Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French method macarons, a delightful and elegant treat. We'll start by understanding the core principles of this technique, which many find more approachable than other methods. You'll learn about the key ingredients and the crucial steps to achieve those iconic smooth tops and ruffled feet. Get ready to create beautiful, delicious macarons right in your own kitchen with confidence and precision. Before we begin, let's ensure we have all our essential ingredients and tools ready. You'll need finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, and aged egg whites. Precision is paramount in macaron making, so using a digital kitchen scale for all measurements is highly recommended. Also, prepare your baking sheets with either parchment paper or silicone mats to ensure easy release and consistent baking results. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother. Now for the heart of French macarons, the macaronage. First, whip your egg whites with granulated sugar until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Then, gently fold your sifted dry ingredients into this meringue in 3 or 4 additions. The goal is to achieve a batter that flows like slow-moving lava, often called the ribbon stage. This delicate balance is crucial. Overmixing leads to flat macarons, while undermixing results in lumpy, cracked shells. Practice makes perfect here. With your batter ready, it's time to pipe uniform circles onto your prepared baking sheets using a round piping tip. After piping, firmly tap the trays on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, which helps create those smooth, unblemished tops. Next, let your piped macarons rest for about 30 to 60 minutes until a slight skin forms. Finally, bake them at a low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 15 minutes, ensuring they develop their signature, feet, and crisp shells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.